Who made the mountains? Who made the trees? Who made the rivers flow to the seas? And who hung the moon and the stars in the sky? Somebody bigger than you and I. Who made the flowers bloom in the spring? Who writes the song for the robins to sing? And who sends the rain when the earth is dry? Somebody bigger than you and I. He lights the way when the road is dark, and He'll keep you company with His love to guide you. He'll walk beside you just like He walks with me. Oh, yeah, when I'm weary, filled with despair, who gives me courage to go on from there, and who gave me faith that will never, never die. Somebody bigger than you and